When it comes to cutting for fat loss, muscle preservation, and strength gain, it's important to note that supplements should never replace a well-balanced diet and a proper exercise routine. However, some supplements can support your efforts during this phase. Here are some popular options in each category. Fat loss. Caffeine. Caffeine is a stimulant that can increase energy expenditure and fat oxidation. It can also enhance exercise performance and reduce perceived exertion, allowing you to train harder during your workouts. Caffeine can be found in coffee, tea, or in supplement form. Green tea extract. Green tea extract contains catechins, such as epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which have been shown to enhance fat metabolism. EGCG can increase thermogenesis, calorie burning, and fat oxidation. Green tea extract can be consumed as a beverage or in supplement form. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. CLA is a fatty acid that may help reduce body fat while preserving lean muscle mass. It is thought to work by increasing fat breakdown, reducing fat storage, and enhancing energy expenditure. CLA can be found in dairy products and meat from grass-fed animals, or in supplement form. Muscle preservation. Whey protein. Whey protein is a high-quality protein source derived from milk. It contains all the essential amino acids needed for muscle repair and growth. Whey protein is quickly absorbed by the body, making it ideal for post-workout recovery. It can be consumed as a shake or added to foods like smoothies and yogurt. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs consist of 3 essential amino acids: leucine, isoleucine, and valine. They play a crucial role in muscle protein synthesis and can help prevent muscle breakdown during intense workouts. BCAAs can be consumed in supplement form or found naturally in foods like meat, dairy, and legumes. HMB. Beta-hydroxy-beta-methylbutyrate. HMB is a metabolite of the amino acid leucine. It has been shown to reduce muscle protein breakdown and support muscle recovery. HMB can be particularly beneficial during periods of caloric restriction to help preserve lean muscle mass. It is available as a supplement. Strength gain. Creatine. Creatine is one of the most well-researched and effective supplements for improving strength, power, and muscle mass. It works by replenishing ATP stores, which are a primary energy source for high-intensity activities. Creatine monohydrate is the most commonly used and studied form. Beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is an amino acid that combines with histidine to form carnosine, which helps buffer acid buildup in the muscles during high-intensity exercise. By delaying muscle fatigue, beta-alanine can improve muscular endurance and performance. It is often taken in supplement form. Citrulline malate. Citrulline malate is a compound that increases the production of nitric oxide, leading to improved blood flow and nutrient delivery to the muscles. It may enhance strength and reduce fatigue during resistance training. Citrulline malate is commonly found in pre-workout supplements. Remember, while these supplements can complement your efforts, they should be used in conjunction with a well-rounded diet and appropriate exercise program. Consulting with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help personalize your supplement choices based on your specific goals and needs. Here's a list of the popular options I mentioned earlier, along with some key research studies conducted on each. Fat loss. Caffeine. A study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that caffeine intake can increase energy expenditure and enhance fat oxidation, potentially contributing to weight loss. Another study in the International Journal of Obesity demonstrated that caffeine consumption before exercise increased fat burning during the workout. Green tea extract. A meta-analysis published in the Cochrane Database of Systematic Reviews concluded that green tea extract has a small positive effect on weight loss and weight maintenance. Research published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition suggested that green tea extract can increase fat oxidation during moderate intensity exercise. Conjugated linoleic acid, CLA. A review published in the Journal of International Medical Research analyzed several studies and found that CLA supplementation can modestly reduce body fat in humans. A meta-analysis published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition indicated that CLA supplementation may have a small but significant effect on reducing body weight and improving body composition. Muscle preservation. Whey protein. Research published in the Journal of the American College of Nutrition showed that whey protein supplementation promotes muscle protein synthesis and improves body composition in resistance-trained individuals. A study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition demonstrated that consuming whey protein after resistance exercise stimulates muscle protein synthesis to a greater extent compared to other protein sources. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. A study published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that BCAA supplementation can reduce muscle soreness and markers of muscle damage following intense exercise. Research published in the Journal of Nutrition showed that BCAA supplementation during resistance training can enhance muscle protein synthesis and decrease muscle protein breakdown. HMB, beta-hydroxy beta-methylbutyrate. A meta-analysis published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition concluded that HMB supplementation can increase lean body mass and strength in resistance-trained individuals. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology demonstrated that HMB supplementation attenuates muscle damage and promotes muscle hypertrophy during intense resistance training. Strength gain. Creatine. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research showed that creatine supplementation significantly increased strength and power in resistance-trained individuals. Research published in the Journal of Applied Physiology indicated that creatine supplementation enhances muscle strength and muscle mass during resistance training. Beta-alanine. A systematic review and meta-analysis published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition concluded that beta-alanine supplementation improves exercise performance, especially during high-intensity exercise lasting 1-4 minutes. Research published in the International Journal of Sports Medicine suggested that beta-alanine supplementation can delay fatigue and improve performance during repeated bouts of high-intensity exercise. Citrulline malate. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that citrulline malate supplementation improved upper body resistance exercise performance and reduced muscle soreness. Research published in the British Journal of Clinical Pharmacology demonstrated that citrulline malate supplementation enhanced ATP production and improved exercise tolerance in healthy individuals. These studies provide some insights into the potential benefits of these supplements. However, it's essential to consider that individual responses may vary, and further research is always beneficial to gain a more comprehensive understanding of the effects of these supplements. We are inviting you to our website www.wilfredkeary.wordpress.com to access free articles on the subject and many more of interesting life hacks. We also feature in Patreon as Mickey Willie's 320 digital creations and vocal.media.com in the same subject. Welcome.